KLBK's first warning weather with meteorologist Jack Maney.
Our rain chances are just about done for now. It's a little bit damp outside this morning though, and you can see from our tower cam we have a little bit of fog forming as a result of all that moisture coming up from the ground, all that left behind by the heavy rainfall that we had yesterday. And in fact, Lubbock set a daily rainfall record yesterday. 2.25 inches of rain recorded at the Preston Smith Airport yesterday afternoon. Great rains, but they are going to be coming to an end today as we will start to dry things out. But right now it's 68 degrees, 93% relative humidity. We're just about saturated with that dew point temperature at 66 right now. Across the region, a few lower 60s out towards the west, mid 60s to a few 70s in the rolling plains this morning. Very comfortable weather, but it is quite damp outside, and there is a little bit of light drizzle activity there to the south and east, up from Post up towards Crosbyton. There's been a little bit out towards the west as well. Might see occasional patches of drizzle and occasional light rain, but mostly not seeing any shower activity across the region this morning. And those rainfall totals for the week, this is since Sunday, are magnificent. 3.5 inches total, 2.25 of which came down yesterday during the afternoon here in Lubbock. Lots of great rainfall, 3 inches up in Anton, 2.5 for Amherst and Littlefield, and lots of 2 to 3 inch totals down to the south. Radar estimates showing in between some of these rain gauges might even have some 4-inch plus spots down to the south there near Tahoka and O'Donnell. So great rain, and we are going to continue to see improvement in the drought monitor, though we will not be getting that update until later on this morning. And here's a look back at the entire month of August. You can see how we started out so hot in the triple digits, upper 90s, but we flipped the switch somewhere around the middle of the month and went below average and stayed mostly there for much of the month, with rainfall increasing significantly during the second half of the month of August. Today, not going to be as rainy. We will be bringing in some drier air into our skies, and that should be clearing things out. A few lingering clouds and showers down to the south will still be possible, but for most of the bulk of our area today, we will be staying more on the dry side. There will be a few showers around this morning, but you can see mostly clear skies coming in from the north and west. Those are going to continue to spread across as dry air builds in the mid to upper levels of the atmosphere. That will be ending our rain chances across for most of the northern and central portions of the South Plains, but we'll still keep that moisture in place down to the south. Lamesa over towards Snyder looks like where our best rain chances will be today, with more heavy rainfall possible down in that portion of the state. We'll see about a 30 to a 40% shot down to the south, 20% odds of a few showers here in Lubbock, and then up to the north, looks like y'all are going to be staying completely dry. Rainfall event is all the way done up that way. So heading into this weekend, we are going to be keeping high pressure out towards the west, but there will still be general troughing over the central plains and eastern half of the United States. That'll still leave the door open for occasional storm chances heading into the weekend and next week, but it looks like our best shot coming up for the next few days is going to be on Saturday, when we will have the Texas Tech home opener. A few showers and thunderstorms might be possible, especially around kickoff time with a high of 85 out at the tailgates. Going to be cooling down throughout the evening. Kickoff at 7 p.m., 75 by the fourth quarter. Very nice game day as long as we can keep it dry. And also want to give you a little update on the tropics. We now have a storm trying to form up in the northern Atlantic. That one could become Danielle, our first named storm in well over a month. The week ahead looking more on the dry side, other than that rain chance on Saturday for the Texas Tech game, and then heading into Labor Day looking pretty good.